Hello everyone, Ruchi here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick watercolored bookmark which I have created using Altenew Garden Grow stamp set. I have used Strathmore watercolor paper for my base and cut it in 6 by 2 inches size, using my MISTI tool for perfect stamping. I have used blue painter's tape, which is medium adhesive that sticks well but leaves no residue behind. I bought it from Amazon and added the link in the description box of this video. I have mentioned all the color codes of these Zig markers in my blog post and you can find the link in the description box. Used Altenew water brush pen which came along with my Altenew watercolors pen set. Now you enjoy coloring and I will catch you in a while. This is my corner Chomper tool from VR Memory Keepers, and now I'm stamping the sentiment code which is from the tone stamps. I have mentioned all the suppliers link in the description box. That's it for today. Hope you like it. Give it a try and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya.